In the previous video, we looked at facilitated diffusion, meaning the molecule needed help to go across the membrane. This was a form of passive transport that does not require ATP. Passive transport does not require ATP. And the second type of passive transport we're going to look at is the concentration gradient. And so in this one, there's a couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, the definition of a concentration gradient is when the number of molecules is different in two different regions. So for example, in this image that you have up here at the top, you have a higher concentration of molecules at the top, and then inside of the cell you have a lower concentration. And so the direction of movement of molecules when there's no energy involved is always going to be from high to low concentration. Think of an aerosol, like when you open up, when you press the button on the spray and the molecules just go shooting out like in a deodorant or some spray bottle. So the bottle itself has a higher concentration of molecules, and then the atmosphere on the outside has a lower concentration. So the direction of movement when the valve is open is always going to be from the high to the low, so outside. And that is a difference in concentration. That is a concentration gradient. Another example of this would be, think of a rolling rock or a rolling stone or boulder down a hill. A boulder going downhill does not need energy. It just naturally would go that way. But if you take that same boulder and you put it at the bottom of the hill and then you want to move it up, then you're going to need ATP. You're going to need energy to move it against the gradient. So passive transport, we're moving with the gradient from high concentration to the inside of the cell, low concentration. And you do not need any ATP